Most of the things you see online right now, flying left, right, and center as leaked questions, expo questions, are not the real ones. Okay? And what I'm about giving you are the ones you can depend on. What you need are leaked questions, strategies, expo questions that you are sure can make you pass your exam. What you are looking for is not just any kind of person, but you are looking for questions, wrongs, ways that can make you score 300 and above, which is what I've been talking about in this channel. Okay, 300, just follow me as I begin to guide you. We just have few days to this exam, and I know many of you are under pressure. Many people did not start reading on time. Many people started reading very late, and because of that, a lot of persons are already taking advantage of you. We have more than 2 million JAMB candidates, and I've been sounding this over and over again since last week. I started talking about this issue of JAMB EXPO, and I want to make the final video on that for you so that you will know the one you are doing. Can I shock you, and can I tell you the truth? The truth is that most of the things you see online are fake. Most of the people collecting money from you in the name of JAMB EXPO are all fake. I can bet you that there is nothing like wrongs. Anybody telling you they have contact for JAMB EXPO is after your money. Anybody telling you to pay 50,000, 25,000, 10,000, I am assuring you that it will be fake. I am assuring you that it will not work. I have made a video. In fact, this should be the third video. I keep seeing people coming back again and again, falling victim. Every year, people fall victim, and because they rely on these expos, they enter the exam hall and they get like 130, 170 miserable scores when the JAMB result is out, right? And I am warning you. We have been on a long journey on this channel. I've made videos for you. I've told you, I've given you questions, I've given you past questions and answer on use of English, all the science subjects, all the art subjects. If you need any access to all the videos we have made, I can give them to you. But I'm making this video to tell you once more that the best JAMB EXPO is for you to sit down and prepare. The best JAMB EXPO is your brain, your preparation, and you and your God. Pray, get back and keep reading. If you have any issue, if you have any subject you want me to give you access to all the videos we have done, talk to me immediately. But as for giving you JAMB EXPO, if I tell you to give me 1 kobo for JAMB EXPO, then I am a fraudster. I am cheating you, and I will not do that. So the only secret you have is return to preparation. Return to all the videos we've done. We've done videos from part 1, use of English, chemistry, physics, biology, government literature, all of them, all your art subject, your science subject, I've handled them, giving you likely questions, giving you past questions and the answer, giving you topics from your syllabus. If you need me to give you JAMB syllabus, I'll give it to you. JAMB past question, I will give it to you. But the bottom line is, say no to JAMB EXPO. Say no to anybody collecting money from you. All of them are fraudsters, and it will not work. If you have any issue, any way you want me to help you, come under the comment of this video and tell me. But you must have already become a member of our channel. You must have subscribed to our YouTube channel, like this video, subscribe, and share this video. Then if there is any way you want me to assist you, help you to pass, let me know right now in the comment section.